Please address green drinks. What are they, and when and how do you incorporate into the daily eating plan? How many times? I like that question. Every day, etc. Can you, thank you. Okay, so when I say green drinks, I'm speaking of any dark green vegetable you can get in your grocery store. Okay, because we all live in different parts of the world. Some of us don't have access to different dark green veggies, but there's always going to be access to some kind of it. So I put it as a broad way. I call it green drinks. But from where I'm living in Canada or the US, green drinks would start with cucumber, celery. I would juice that. That's my base. Then to that, I would add any dark green veggies I can get in the store: cilantro, parsley, anise, dandelion greens, any dark green veggie I can find in the grocery store is what I would add to the base of the cucumber and celery. Okay, and I would add maybe some green apples if I want a sweeter taste to it. Even though the apple is a fruit, it gives it that sweet taste that makes it being able to tolerate the taste of a dark green veggies because they can be bitter. Okay, but that's what I mean by green drinks. Now, green drinks, how are they used? I use green drinks when I'm on a fruit cleanse, or people are on a fruit cleanse and they want a break and they want to they're tired of the fruits, they want to go on the greens. Then I'll say have green drinks. Okay, green drinks are not superior to the fruits by any means, shape, or form, because when you're trying to heal, you need the fruits because they are astringent. The greens don't offer that astringency, but at the same time, they don't stop your detox. So you could have them in your diet once in a while. If you really want to heal quickly, avoid the green drinks and stick to the fruits and dry fasting. If you are not in a hurry, you can have the green drinks every now and then. Once a day is fine, or every other day, or every 3 days. It's an addition to your cleanse. Okay, they have healing properties because they are herbs. Okay, but they don't have the astringency, and the fruits offer the astringency. So that's why I don't let you go on a green drink only cleanse, because it doesn't have that astringency. Okay, so how many times per day? Have it once a day if you're not in a hurry. If you're in a hurry to heal, don't have it. Have it once a week. Okay, and that's how I would use it. Basically, the other reason why I would use green drinks is if I was trying to take care of bone issues or growing your hair. Then I would go on fruit only cleanse and throw in the green drinks now and then to supply all the calcium, extra calcium and vitamins that I need in a hurry. Okay, so it's an addition to the plan. So I hope that clears things up. And it's a good question.